Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Updates may fail on weak networks. Once done, back up your iPad to iCloud or to your computer to preserve data. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to fetch available versions. You're not just clicking, you're verifying the update and any notes about compatibility or required free space. If the update needs space, make room by offloading apps or media before proceeding to download. You tap Download and monitor the progress. Avoid large downloads or streaming on the same network to reduce interruptions. Once the download completes, choose Install Now for immediate installation or schedule to delay until a convenient time, like overnight. The device will prepare the update and show a progress bar. It may restart more than once. Make sure the iPad stays connected to power and Wi-Fi during this phase, because interrupting the process risks an incomplete installation and potential errors. After the iPad restarts, follow any on-screen setup prompts and sign in with your Apple ID when asked. This finalizes system integrations. Then check Settings General about to confirm the installed version and quickly test core apps and connectivity. If something fails, try a force restart first and attempt the update again. If problems persist, restore from the backup you made earlier or connect to a computer for recovery. That step protects your data while returning the system to a working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.